मॅडम आज सकाळच्या टायमार चिंबल पंचायती कडेन चिंबलातले लोक गेले बोरवेल ते बंद केला म्हणून तांकां उदक मेळना पिवपाक लागून तो इशू एक हायलायट जाला सकाळच्या टायमार तुमकां कितें सांगता तुमकां दिसता तुमी बोरवेलाचो कॅरी फॉरवर्ड केल्लो तो इशू
पळय कितें आसा न्हू हे बोरवेलाचे कॉन्सेप्ट आहा न्हू ते अजून तांकां कितें तें अजून खबर ना थिंगा ब्लेम गेम जालेले आसा आनी ह्या ब्लेम गेम्सान म्हाका दोशी थारायले गेले आसा बाय द MLA एंड बाय द पीपल ऑल्सो कित्याक तांकां एक रॉंग मेसेज गेलेली आसा आतां बोरवेल उदक म्हणजे एक बोरवेल काडपूच पयलें इलिगल आनी जे इलिगल आहा ते आमचो MLA तांकां एनकरेजमेंट करता सांगून की ते 25 वर्सांचे म्हणटा बोरवेला सो फ्रॉम 25 years आर यू सपोर्टिंग देम फॉर दॅट फॉर 25 years यू कुडंट गिव देम वॉटर टू ड्रिंक बोरवेल वॉटर इज व्हेरी डेंजरस फॉर हेल्थ and still you are not concerned about that. My motive was, my PIL was, I had filed a complaint for one borewell. Now the WRD inspection report certified document states that they have found 70 borewells in that area. Now this statement is given by the WRD, not me. So there is a correction in one of the media. They have to do that, not to give such statements, because this is creating, now they have said now in the media that there are borewells in the huts in Zoparpatti. Now Zoparpatti was the first name of Indranagar. So those people got angry on me because I am spoiling their unity over there, and that illegal borewells are in that Zoparpatti named Indranagar, which is absolutely wrong. The borewells are found in ward number 7. I am clearly telling everyone that the borewells are found in ward number 7. And some of them are found in Dharwadkar, which now they claim that there is no Dharwadkar. Now, if there is no Dharwadkar, who gave them the permission and why the panchayat is quiet on this? That who gave them permission for that fabrication work and stating it is Dharwadkar colony? I have a picture with me which will prove that it is Dharwadkar, and now they are denying it as Gaulebat. So first, I feel that it should be demarcated as Gaulebat and remove that unauthorized hoarding which is given over there in fabrication. Remove it because there is no permission granted for that. Now coming to that Serrao residency, one of the ladies says that because we don't get drinking water, we have dug the borewells. Now who has given the occupancy for such buildings? If there is no water, how the occupancy was given? So the building itself is illegal because they don't have the basic necessities. So I asked the government to verify all these things, that they had water, they had a tap connection, and because they couldn't fulfill, they couldn't pay the bills, the connection was cut off. The second reason to cut off the connection was only because the sewage of the Serrao residency was coming on the road. So how come she says that we don't have water, give us water, because we don't have water, the borewells are put. This is a very wrong statement made by this citizen. I am here today, I filed a PIL, is only for them because they are paying their taxes, they are paying the road tax, they are paying every possible taxes levied by the panchayat, and that is why they have the right to have clean water and good water. This is my PIL. And anyone who wants to check the PIL, they can mostly contact me or my advocate Cyrus Desai. He will explain to you. But do not spread false rumors against me. Do not tell the people that it is because of Anna Gracious this havoc is being created. See, I am the PIL. I am saving the environment because our Chimmel Lake is full of water, was full of water. Now it is getting drained. I was concerned about that, and hence I have done the same. But now I would like to tell the MLA that that time when the villagers were fighting for this lake, where were you? Today these migrants who are doing illegal borewell, you are supporting them. For what reason? We have elected you not to do these illegalities. Give us good service, give us basic necessities. This is what is development. You went into BJP for development. Do the development of 25 years old borewells. So I request the government to heavily fine them. See whether they have levied value documents for the said houses. Whether they have TCP clearance, openly I will go out because they were accusing me in very filthy languages. They were accusing me with threats, and that is why now I will not keep quiet for them.
And morning time they were at the Panchayat, Chimbal Panchayat, and the demand they were saying. What's your say on that demand?
See, their demand is genuine because they need water. Every human and every citizen needs water to drink. And I agree to that. But digging bore well on the cost of the village well is illegal. This is the wealth of our village. And if the government cannot provide water facilities to them, then they should not give permission for mega projects and such projects which is coming up in the hilly region. Actually, this was all done by hill cutting. All this land has been chopped off like hell. If you see that the buildings and the houses over there, they don't have PCP clearance.
मॅडम म्हाका सांग जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा गोंयान हर घर नल जाल्यार हांगा बोरवेल कित्याक आयिल्ले आनी गव्हर्मेंट फेल जाला असो दिसता तुका?
जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट परमिशन दिता हांकां घरा पेयाक तांकां खबर ना तांकां उदकाची गरज आसा म्हणून. उदका शिवाय केन्ना मनीस आसता? मनीस जगंकूच शकना. जेन्ना तुमी तांकां उदक दिना तांकां परमिशन, बिकॉज सी बोरवेल एक लायफ टायम हें जाला तांकां इन्वेस्टमेंट. 24 hours वॉटर सप्लाय.
तांचे कडेन दोनूय सोर्स आहा, बोरवेली आहा आनी गव्हर्मेंटाचे जे वॉटर पायपलायन सप्लाय तेय आहा.
ना, in one building in Serrao Residency they have the water supply, but it is not sufficient for them, and that is why they have done the borewell. But I am saying if it is not sufficient, how come the panchayat has given them the occupancy?
So
I blame the panchayat.
पंचायती साडीच्यान निग्लेक्ट जाला फाटल्या खूप वर्सांतल्यान.
Of course. Even these houses which are in Darwadkar, not in Govlebhat. Govlebhat is the whole village. This particular colony is Darwadkar, which is already named, and I have the proof of it. I've taken a photograph today itself to prove that it is Darwadkar. Okay, so when they have no water, how were they given permission to live in those houses? So there must be some affidavit taken to them that they will look after their own needs. So why is the government not looking into that?
मॅम तुका आनीक विचार दिसता आमी आतां जुलयान मॉन्सून सीजन गोंयान स्टार्ट आपूण पावस पडना आनी उदकाची शॉर्टेज ऑलरेडी लोकांक कळपाक लागल्या. तूं सिच्युएशन कशें पळयता जेन्ना तूं एनवायरमेंटाचेर उलयता?
पळय, जेन्ना आमी झाडां एक पेड़ माँ के नाम पे, पूण दुसरे दिसा एक पेड़ कट होता है बाप के नाम पे. आनी तो बाप कोण काय ते सोदून काडचें पडटलें आमकां. ही ऑर्डरी पळय पास करता झाडां कट करपाक. हिंगा पणजेनूच पळय कितलीं झाडां कट केलेलीं आसा. ऑन हूज रिक्वेस्ट इट इज. आतां तीच झाड तर आमी व्हडले करी जाल्यार कितलीं वर्सां लागतलीं आमकां. कितली ऑक्सिजन आमी डिप्रायव करता लोकांक. हे आमी केन्नाच चिंतिना. आमी झाड कातरूंक लायले, कातरले. नो, बट आय विल रियली स्टिक टू दिस वर्ड. सीएम शुड से एक झाड माँ के नाम पे डिस्ट्रॉय मत कर.
आनीक तुका विचारता मॅडम, WRDन आतां सद्या स्टार्ट केल्ल्या खंय बोरवेल आहा ते पळोवपाक लागलो. इन स्पेशली चिंबल आनी चिंबलान आनी बोरवेल सापडले. ब्लेम तुजेर घेतलो, हेजेर तूं कितें सांगपाक पळयता? ते ऑलरेडी लोक तुकाच ब्लेम करता.
Yeah, I am proud to say that I had that much of courage to point out these borewells. And if I can find more borewells, I will not be afraid. I will keep on doing my work. I will just highlight this borewell, and I will prove that there are not only, I tell you in Chimbel, it's not only 70, question of 70 borewells. Let these 70 borewells be sealed by the WRD, and then I will come to another 50 borewells. That is my challenge.
आनी कितें तुवें रिसर्च केला जे मिरशे बीन बोरवेल आहा अशें कितें आहा, चिंबलूच आहा फकत?
See, I am not gone. First, I start with my village. When I clear my village, I will go to my neighboring villages. But I have got many calls from other villages too. And I will also help them out how to file the PIL and how to go along with this borewell.